it's me, Livy. So today I'm going to be making some popsicles for the pets. And this is kind of part 2 of making summer popsicles inspired by Hallie's Toka. So I went ahead and put it in the fridge. And there was 2 of them. I also made some sherbet as well. And I got those out as well. And then Sage had one first. She had the sherbet one. And then Mocha had hers. And they really, really liked it. And then Bailey tried hers. Hers was an orange one. And then Polka Dot. And they were really, really happy. And then Strawberry. Then Blueberry. And they both liked it. And then Mocha. And then Brownie. And Strawberry did have a sherbet ice cream before a couple months ago. Well, that's it, everybody. Please read the pinned comment. Bye.